Okay, so this is what I did today. And because Mark's working overtime, I wanted to come out here and get a little head start on the construction cleanup in between the crews. So this is after the drywall crew. I wish I do have some video that you guys will be able to see, but I wish I would have filmed how much stuff there was. So much drywall. But I cleaned up the laundry room, the drop zone or the mud room. I'm leaving the master bathroom and upstairs. I'm not gonna do that today. I did the powder bath and that pile there, I'm bringing a scoop shovel. I already have a wheelbarrow here and I will scoop it. I did the kitchen and the laundry room, which we already saw, the pantry, the living room, the foyer, I don't know where you're from, how you say it. The office, and you can see my piles out there. And Mark will come through with the skid steer with the grapple hooks and dump all of that in dumpsters. Some of the big pieces we'll probably have to do ourselves, but not a big deal. Nice cool weather in town, and it's gonna be cool for a while, so that's nice. I did the hall, one of the guest rooms, guest room closet, Jack and Jill bathroom. Again, scoop shovel that right there. The other guest room. And of course, there's the hallway again, the little closet. So again, all we have left is the garage, the master, and the upstairs. Yay.